Hello, this is Mike.
And this is Ashley.
We are still in community quarantine, but still, we are going to unpack, or shall we say, re unpack this.
It's an iPad mini 2019 fifth generation.
All right, here it is the iPad mini. I guess there's no need for detailed information regarding this one, as I believe everybody knows what it is. Am I right, Ashley?
Yes, it actually comes with four variants. It has some 64 GB and 256 GB, and the connectivity it does have the other one or the other variant comes with Wi-Fi, and the other one would have Wi-Fi plus cellular.
Okay, but just to let you know, what we got here is the 256 GB Wi Fi variant.
Yep, yep.
And we bought this from.
Inbox from SMC. Inbox is actually an authorized reseller of Apple.
Okay, so let's proceed with the re unpacking since we already.
Had unpack it.
Yeah. Okay.
So you proceed into the unpacking or re-unpacking of the iPad mini. Once again, that will be the iPad mini 2019 fifth generation. This is just a real quick re-unpacking, really.
So, right from opening, you would see right away the iPad mini. Okay, so let's just set this aside and let's see what's in the box. So what we have here is the lightning cable, and then I believe this is the manual. Let's see. Yep, it has. We have the manual. I guess some additional information and free stickers.
What else? It does have
Yes, I guess that's
pretty
it.
much it.
Yep. Then also what we got here on the box is the 10
Charger.
charger. This should be 10 watts if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's 10 watts. Let's see if we can do a focus on that one. Oops. And again, lightning cable. Alright, so let's proceed to check on the iPad mini.
You can see the trees. Wait, it shows our face. Come on.
Okay, so let's try to deflect the reflection or avoid the reflection.
Arte
Okay.
kasi.
Okay, so as I mentioned that this is already this was already unpacked.
And set up.
Yep.
He already set it up.
And also we already had a screen protector care of.
Cap days.
Yep, Cat Days.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are interested on purchasing this product, you can check our description below. I guess that's pretty much it, right, Ash?
Yeah, that's it.
Very quick unpacking.
Okay.
This is going to fit. Can you help?
What?
For the closing.
What I'll do? Okay. That. Nah, that's. Pwede kasi. You put it here. That's it. Yeah, that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. So. Okay. mm, that's it.
Okay. I guess that's it. And that would be all.